12A.1 Rhythm A. We are at a very nice slow tempo, 2/4 meter, 52 beats per minute. And we start off nice and loud, fortissimo. Again, 2/4 doesn't divide into halves, so we're gonna just bracket off the whole measure here. And I got 1/4 and 2/8, and I start to diminuendo, which means lower my volume. And next measure we have 1/8 and 2/16, and then another 1/8 and 2/16, 1/8 and 2/16, and 4/16. So T tiki tiki tiki. I'm still diminuendoing, and I make it down finally to pianissimo, and I have an 1/8 and 2/16, and then an 1/8 note plus an 1/8 rest. Next bar, mezzo piano now. 1/8, 2/16 notes, and then 2/8 notes. 2/8 notes, and then 2/16 notes, and an 1/8. See, these are all getting kind of jumbled up together. But the elements are basically the same ones over and over again. 2/16 notes and an 1/8, and then 4/16 notes. 1/8 rest, 2/16 notes. 1/8 note, 1/8 rest. That's a tricky measure. Now we're at forte. 1/8 note, 2/16 notes, 2/16 notes, and an 1/8 note. Piano, same thing. And then we crescendo from there to 4/16 notes plus 4/16 notes. Tiki 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 tiki. And then we have an 1/8 note, 2/16, and an 1/8 note, 1/8 rest, and we are at forte by the end. Okay, let's do it. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. Okay, here's 52. Nice and slow. Okay, gonna start fortissimo. Ta ti 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 tiki ti tiki ti tiki 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 ti tiki ti ti tiki ti 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 tiki ti tiki ti tiki 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 ti ti tiki tiki ti ti tiki tiki ti tiki 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 ti tiki ti. Here we are, rhythm B. We are at 96 beats per minute, so this is another quicker example, but not too fast. 2/4 meter, so all of my bars will have only one box as I analyze this. The first thing is a pickup 1/8 note on mezzo forte. Now, the first measure is 1/8 note, 2/16 plus 2/8 notes. Same thing. Then we get to 4/16 notes and 4/16 notes. And the next measure is a dotted 1/4 note, and then we get an 1/8 note on piano dynamic. Then we have 2/16 and an 1/8 plus 2/8 notes. 2/16 and an 1/8, and then 1/8 and 2/16 notes. Again, these are all the same elements showing up over and over again in different orderings. 4/16 notes, and then 4 more 16th notes. Tiki 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 tiki. 2/8 notes, an 1/8 rest, and then 2/16 notes. And now we are forte dynamic. An 1/8 note and 2/16, and then 2/16 and an 1/8. 1/8 note, 2/16, and then 4/16 notes. 2/16 notes and an 1/8 note and 4/16 notes, and now we are diminuendoing to a 1/4 note on mezzo piano, and we have 1/8 rest hanging there at the end because we've had a pickup measure of an 1/8 note. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Here is 96. Okay, this is a slight read. T T tiki T T T tiki T T tiki 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 ta T tiki T T T tiki T T tiki 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 T T tiki T tiki tiki T T tiki 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 T tiki tiki ta. Okay, I did it. Good.